Reaching out, looking for some way to escape the crowd. You whispered words that I've been searching for, and somehow you answered my call. From reaching out, I feel I'm rising up. You give me in a world that doesn't sleep at all. You give me, it's a place I've never been before. You give me, and in all of the confusion, you're the peace in my soul. That's why I will never really be alone. Suddenly, I'm up on the surface, so and I can see, picture the person who I need to be. And I know, yes I know I can make it. See me now, I'm slowly rising up. You give me in a world that doesn't sleep at all. You give me, it's a place I've never been before. You give me, and in all of the confusion, you're the peace in my soul. That's why I will never really be alone. Well, these are difficult times, these are difficult days, but I know we can face it. How's a wonderful life in a wonderful place? Oh, you give me grace to say when I got it wrong, the grace that wills me to carry on. Reaching out, I feel I'm rising up. You give me grace. Ooh, yeah. It's a place I've never been before. You give me, and in all of the confusion, you're the peace in my soul. And that's why I will never really be alone. You give me, now there's nothing I don't fear at all. You give me, when I'm on the edge, just watch me fall. You give me, and in all of the confusion, you're the peace in my soul. That's why I will never really be alone.
Yesterday, today, tomorrow fade away like frozen photographs. Remember, forget the stakes, the ways you take, the ways you make the moments pass. Forever regret, I tell a beautiful lie, and I would die if you find out. I tell a beautiful lie every time that I did not open up my mouth. All the same, it's a game, it's a play, it's a war, it's a shame that we're always fighting for. I don't mean to cast no blame, I don't intend to pretend that I could never love you more. But in the blink of an eye, everything you ever knew can change. And it's a beautiful lie if you think everything will always stay the same. tell a beautiful lie. And it's going to drive you crazy. Tell him beautiful, yesterday, today, tomorrow, fade away like frozen photographs. Remember, forget, forever. After all the broken stones that were thrown for no good reason, inside, she is loving him still. After all this time, and though her heart bears the scars, no sign of healing, it's alright. She is loving him still. After all this time. Oh yeah. Trying to push the past away, still waiting for the lights to change. She'll try for the sake of their pride. Learning to barely feel the pain. The thicker the skin, the less the strain. And though it's really hurting, she ain't breaking. 'Cause she's loving him still. After all this time. Shows a selfish soul, never changing. That's fine, well, 'cause she's loving him still. After all this time, and to the outside eye, you see your family getting by, and it all seems perfect, and that's how she wants it, 'cause she's loving him still. After all this time, trying to push the past away, still waiting for the lights to change. She'll try for the sake of their pride. Learning to barely feel the pain. The thicker the skin, the less the strain. Though it's really hurting, she ain't breaking. 'Cause she's loving him still. After all this time. After all this time. After all this time. Oh, bones have to grow. Age it shows, though we try and hide it. Inside, she's loving him still. After all this time, and behind his tired eyes, she sees the boy with his arms wide, who made her feel like an angel. Oh, that's why she is loving him still for the rest of her life. She's loving him still for the last of many miles. She's loving him still after all this time.
Moving up and down and from side to side, with so many things to do. I want to go again, I want another ride. Well, this time she'll see it through. She gives me everything I